Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing your iPad so Quick Notes work instantly. Open Control Center, add the Quick Note button, and pick a default paper and handwriting mode. This saves time later. Once done, create a new note via the corner swipe or Apple Pencil tap. You'll see a blank Quick Note. You should name or tag it immediately to keep it findable. Make sure iCloud Notes syncing is enabled so your Quick Notes appear on other devices. You'll now capture content efficiently. Write with Apple Pencil or use Scribble to convert strokes to type text. This speeds transcription. Once you encounter a web page or app content, tap Share and choose Quick Note so links and context link back automatically. Organize by adding tags and headings or convert items into checklists for action steps. Make sure to use the search bar in Notes with tags and text to retrieve items quickly, because retrieval is as important as capture. You'll finish by cleaning and syncing. Review the Quick Note, highlight key lines, merge small notes into one project, or split long notes into focused pieces. Once tidy, give it a final tag and close. iCloud will sync across devices. If notes don't appear elsewhere, check iCloud Notes in Settings and sign back in if needed. As a troubleshooting tip, toggle Notes off then on in iCloud to force resync. If that fails, restart the iPad and check storage availability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.